Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerard. On the previous episode, we found ourselves on a farm in South Africa which has a huge problem with dassies. Armed with two of my favorite guns, the FX King and an old style FX Impact X, we managed to knock down a lot of these dassies in the first few days. Today we're going to carry on with the action, and we found ourselves early morning with the FX King and a big old dassie sitting on a rock. Another stun overshot. And that, my friends, is how you start a good morning. A slug shot from over 100 yards away and curling in to connect this dassie perfectly just behind the eye.
Okay. Let's take that one left-handed. Perfect. Down. Perfect.
Now, because I want to retrieve these animals for the meat, it is very important that I manage to retrieve them. And for this reason, I love to favor headshots because it drops them usually on the spot. Well, I don't have words because it's just perfect. Perfect. 110. So here's a question that I do get a lot, and it's about shooting aids. The question is usually which one is a nice to have and which one is a must have. Now I'm going to tell you in order which I think is the most important here. First off, rangefinder. That is my number one choice of the most important shooting aid that you can get yourself. Now the second most important shooting aid that you can get is obviously a good, decent wind meter. Now the one that I've got here is a Kestrel, and I've selected the Kestrel because the Kestrel has applied ballistics on it as well. I can take a wind reading and I can input a range on this, and this one will then calculate for me my ballistics that I need to dial into my scope to make sure that I can get my hit. Now the last thing which I think is also very important is a good set of binos. Now a bino can give you the advantage of spotting your target much easier. It can make your life very easy out there when you're doing hunting because you can see where your animal is much clearer, and it will get you on target faster. So a good set of binos is very important as well. So that's basically the three most important shooting aids that I use to help me improve my shooting lifestyle. What a lovely shot. 124 yards. Poking his head out behind the rock. Beautiful shot, straight in the head. What a crack of a shot. Dassies is usually not so active in the middle of the day, and this usually gives us some time to take a break, grab something to drink and something to eat. Time to speak about this beautiful gun sitting here to the right of me. and of course this is the FX King. Now, for those who do not know anything about this gun yet, it is a Panthera Action dropped into a beautiful GRS stock. Now the stock that I've got here is the brown version of it, and yes, you do call it the brown version. For those who do not know about what this features is on this gun, let me just tell you that. Number one is this large plenum sitting in the front. Now this plenum adds two things to this gun. Number one, it adds the ability to get a lot of power out of the system, and then the second thing it does, it adds stability and stiffness to the barrel because it's surrounding the barrel with pressure and keeping the barrel nice and rigid. By now you do know that this is a new design block from FX. It's got the new valving system in there. The traveling of the air between the plenum and the transfer port is very short, so it's an instant burst of air that gets there very quickly, and that also adds a little bit of stability and consistency to the whole system as well. After lunch times we usually take a quick nap, and then we head out there again for the rest of the days. In the afternoon the dassie is active again, so it's back to the action.
Ouch. Ouch, ouch.
On the money. 94 yards. Perfect shot. Straight down. Now for accessories on this gun, there's not a lot to speak about. Starting from the bottom here, I've got this Accutech bipod, and then the bipod is connected to this bottle clamp from Saber Tactical. This is a nice bit of kit, especially if you have a bottle gun and you don't have a place to mount your bipod. Check out this bottle clamps, it's actually very nice. I've got an Element Nexus. This is a 5 to 20 by 50 with the APR 1C reticle, which is clean. Very nice scope to use for filming. Works very well with my side shot camera as well. In the front I've got a Donny FL Yokozuna silencer. Now this is a very nice silencer system from Donny. This is one of the latest versions of it. And then inside this gun I've got a Superior Heavy slug liner. It's 1/16 twist. I'm using a 30 grain slug HP 2 from H&N. I'm shooting at 932 feet per second. Very accurate. Anyhow, that's basically it in a nutshell for this gun. It works really well, and yeah, it's just an awesome gun to have, and for hunting like this it's a perfect unit to have. Straight down. Perfect shot, straight down. I must apologize here for the poor quality of video that you're seeing here, but it's very difficult sometimes to record in heavy heat like this and a lot of mirage. Perfect shot. Well guys, this is what I had to go through when I made that shot now. I am covered by thorns, as you guys can see. You know what? It's all part of the game. I'm making this happen, all for you guys, so I hope you appreciate what I'm doing here for you. Two of them, I had my choice which one I can pick. Went with the left one. stopped. And another one goes down. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So much overkill. I just had to. I just wanted to shoot the 6.5 today, but I didn't have a chance. And that dassie was sitting just under 200 yards. And I said to Kevin, let's pull the 6.5. I just want to take one shot. Smoked. Smoked that dassie. Unfortunately guys, this is where I'm going to have to call it an end. I had an awesome time out here on this farm in South Africa. We managed to knock down a lot of dassies on this farm in the last few days. Just a special thanks for Kevin behind the camera for assisting me on this major big job. Also a special thanks to the farmer that owns this farm and letting us stay here for these days, and also let us hunt here and film this to bring you guys this awesome kind of footage. And with that being said, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and if you want to see more of this kind of content, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Cheers.